Tainan, a city on Taiwan's southwest coast, was the island's capital from 1683 to 1887 under the Qing dynasty. Today it's known for its centuries-old fortresses and temples. One of its most famous sites is Chikan Tower, an 18th.
Well, hello. Welcome to Tainan. Well, hello. Welcome to my hotel. So we've just checked into my hotel here at the Prince Hotel, just behind me here, located at Kangle and UI Streets. Price is about 1,300 NT per night for 2 nights, breakfast included. So I've just checked in my room, so let's go check it out. Alright, so here we are at my hotel room. Let's take a look inside. Alright, so you walk in, there's a bathroom, there's a bathtub, toilet, big king-size bed, no window, but I got a TV, and the room is clean. So, all in all, for 1,300 bucks for 2 nights, not too shabby. Well, hello. Welcome to Tainan. So it's about 9 in the morning. I've been up since 6. Couldn't really sleep in. So we're going to get up early and have a good start to our day. First thing we're going to do today is we're going to walk along the route to Chikan Tower, which is a heritage site here in Tainan. And we're going to try and find some of this notorious beef they have served bright and early in the morning. Healthy portion, and see what that's all about. So let's go. Well, hello. Welcome to Chikan Tower here in Tainan. This is one of the oldest cultural heritage sites in Tainan, along with Fort Anping. So this place was built in 1652 by the Dutch and served as a trading outpost here for the Dutch, and kind of was the administrative center for Tainan at the time. Also, as you heard in the little blurb before the video, Tainan used to be the capital of Taiwan. And I guess this place has gone under a lot of refurbishments and repairs over the last 300 years, and we're gonna go check it out. So this is, like I said, one of the oldest heritage sites here in Tainan. Unfortunately, it's covered up, but to get in, you have to pay your free ticket. General admission is $70. Get you 1 ticket, gets you access to the gardens and the tower, which is behind me here. Covered up with scaffolding. This is what it's supposed to look like. So maybe next time. But we're going to check it out all the same. So let's go take a walk around.
快速5分钟就会说明我一下这现在的状况是怎么样。那赤坎楼这边呢，它其实是海神殿 跟我们的文昌阁上面的文昌阁去做一个边界，后面的统一书院。那在之前有一个事情，就是他在这附近的话，他只在哪边有挖到就是的文物，所以呢，他整个都会做硕施工。其实应该说文昌阁，我上一次来已经是好几年前，他其实也在使用。那在跟上一次来呢，他那时候是可以上去，懂了吗？好，那因为挖到了显遗迹嘛，一些文物，所以他已经做施工，但他还是有收门票。那我们这边就可以稍微看一下，待会我们一样可以看。那海神殿我们就过不去了。然后文昌阁呢，我们待会呢，我们上去之后呢，我让同学自己上去 ，OK 吗？因为想想看呢，河西时期海神殿、文昌阁跟他们有关吗？所以大胆的假设，不管是正式还是清朝，他们都是搭在一起。那文昌阁呢？
So I stand corrected. Part of the building has been covered, but there's still one part able for you guys to go check out here. This is one of the structures that's not being repaired. Tried to tag along for a tour and I got busted. No more tagging along. Kind of worked. It kind of blended in, but so we're gonna go visit the visiting route. So this building comprises of 3 square-shaped base structures joined to one another. Walls are made out of bricks and a mixture of water, sugar, glutinous rice, and ground oyster shells for the mortar. So eat the walls here if you wanted to. Lasted more than 300 years, and the walls remain thick, and the arches are still all intact. Alright, I'm going to bring in one of the towers. Turn you guys around, take a look. Oh, go into the building. Coins, some money. It's a very well-built place. Like all the detail and all the attention to detail and all the little structures here, arches, all carved up by hand. It's really beautiful. So this was the original design of the fort, I guess. It's Fort Proventia in Dutch Formosa. And we evolved into this. And this is what it would have looked like had we been around in the 1650s. And we're back outside. So a fun thing you can do here at the tower is there's this god behind me here, god set up, and you can take the two stones and ask a question and roll the stones onto the ground. And if you get one facing up, one facing down, that counts as a yes to your question. And if two facing down or two facing up, that means try again. The first one means no. So two facing down means no, two facing up means try again. You can try 3 times. I got a yes on my first time, and the last time that happened, I got a bird. But this time, I got a pencil. Well, that concludes our tour here of Chikan Tower, or Fort Proventia, as known in the 1600s. Definitely recommend coming down to this place if you're going to come check out Tainan. It's a very peaceful place. Something about this place when you walk in just gives this real sense of calm when you walk in. It's a really nice feeling, especially if you're feeling stressed or got a lot on your mind. It's a great place to come to. Gardens are beautiful, a lot of history here, a lot of things for you to see, and a lot of beautiful orchids everywhere, fish to feed, and so come check out the Chikan Tower here in Tainan. I'm getting hungry, so we're gonna go find some food, and talk to you guys in the next one.